Hey, welcome back everyone. It is time for another dividend income update. For years, we've talked about writing covered calls and selling cash secured puts. Really, it's no different than this video. I'm going to show you exactly how I generate all of this money. We're going to write covered calls here at the end. I want you to stick around. That is the golden goose of investing. Whether you believe it or not, the golden goose of investing is covered call writing, cash, secure put selling. It's because I can take my stocks and my cash and I can generate a golden goose of profit and buy all of these dividend paying funds you see in front of you. See, I worked a 9 to 5 for almost 30 years. I retired December 2022. I did it because I wrote covered calls, sold cash secure puts, took all that profit and put it in dividend paying funds. Now, before we get going, there are two parts to this video. So, if you don't have the patience, you're a TikTok warrior, you might want to do this in segments, but I'm telling you, you stick around to the end, I'm going to show you how to generate cash flow to buy dividend-paying funds and create your dividend income empire. And yeah, if I talk a little loud, it's because I've had one. I've had a hazy, baby. Here's the deal. You got soft ears, turn it down. Do not waste time in the comments telling me I talk too loud. Stop yelling. Everybody's laughing at you. Please. We get fired up because we are successful in the stock market, writing covered calls, selling cash secured puts, taking those profits and buying dividend paying funds. Look, if you want to watch a YouTuber that just creates content so he can make YouTube money, well, hey, go be entertained. Here, I want you to pull out your pen and pad. I want you to take notes because I literally started with one stock. One stock. I could tell the story. In fact, I've told it many times. I used PSX to write a covered call, and that started it all. We are now 10 years in. I have made over $1.7 million through covered call writing, cash secure put selling, and dividend income. I'll tell you what, it's an empire that I've built, and that's my mindset. If you're giggling that I'm using the word empire, well, look, it's all about mindset, and if you don't have it, quite frankly, you're never going to get to where we're at here. Okay? So, with that said, if you like anything you hear today, I want you to subscribe to the channel. I try to come back every week, show you timely and relevant covered call trades to up your game. Because what I try to do over the past 10 years on YouTube is just show you my trades and talk about them. So maybe you learn something. It really is that simple. Yeah, I have a membership and you're going to hear about the membership. But look, I ain't going to needle ya. If you want to be a part of what I'm doing, you'll sign up. You'll get your 1 free month offer. It's in the description. If you don't, then hey, good luck. I tip my hat. Look, at the end of the day, I show all my trades. All the trades that I'm about to show you where I made $36,000 in the month of July alone, we take those covered call profits and we put them into dividend paying funds I'm showing you here on screen. It is truly the golden goose of investing, and it produces that golden egg. We can buy these dividend paying funds I'm showing you right now. So look, if you like anything you hear today, I want you to bang that like button. It lets me know you like what I'm doing. Now what I'm doing is this, I'm showing you a projected August. And yes, it's projected because we have at least 3 weeks left in this month, but I want to show you where I'm at. This is going to happen. So that's why I show you the video. I don't talk about paper trades or trades that happened a year ago. We talk about the here and now. And quite frankly, the here and now, I've made over $8,900 in the first 7 days of August with my dividend income. In fact, let's take a look at where I'm at with my covered call income or cash flow and my dividend income. Take a look at this. This is 2025. These are all real numbers. In fact, I could prove every single trade, every single dividend. See, members get to see everything I do. I'm in retirement. They see my trades. If you're apprehensive, you don't know what trade to do, just follow me. I'm literally making $36,000 in July. Let's not forget $22,000 in June, $15,000 in May. Now, granted, we had some moments there when the stock market fell 21%, $5,000 in March and April. But look at how we started the year, popping $33,000, $34,000. Now, I use about $500,000 to produce that money. I'll tell you what, it doesn't matter about the bankroll. Whether I'm making $36,000, you can make $3,600. And I'll tell you what, that's money in the pocket, and you're buying the dividend paying funds. Look at this. Right now, August came in at $8,900 for the first 7 days. Now, of course, it's $19,000 there because we're doing some projections here. I want to show you how I go from making $16,000 in May, $16,000 in June, and $16,000 in July. Now we're going to make $19,000 in August. So looking at this, I want you to see what I'm invested in. And this is the important thing, right? These are diversified, high-yielding dividend-paying funds. Whether you like them or not doesn't matter, because I'm going to show you how NAV erosion is not an issue. See, NAV erosion can be tackled a couple ways. One, you collect the dividend and you then drip invest. And of course, you buy more shares for which you won't feel NAV erosion. Well, if you're in retirement and you're paying the bills, you can't do that. That is a false narrative that's out there. I'm sorry, you cannot take the dividend and live off of it, pay the bills, Visa, Verizon, groceries, vacation. You can't. You got to take the dividend and pay for it. And that's what I do. So everything I do, I pay the tax man and I pay the bills with my dividend. So you see it right here. Now, the only thing that I do a little different is I have these 2 margin trades here at the bottom. I want you to focus on these. Right now, I'm taking on 2 margin trades. 2 margin trades. They're both generating about $1,000 a week. I have done many videos on this, how I created the using margin smartly for dividend investing and income. I have that. If you're a member, you get that. You get the calculator, you get the phone app, you get the guide for which you can read, and it has all of that in there. And oh, by the way, the phone app has all the videos for which this one will be in. I am documenting my journey using margin for dividend investing. The game has changed. Where we used to use margin and buy a stock and hope it would go higher, now we have these high-yielding dividend-paying funds that pay down the debt. And in about 23 months, I will own over 8,900 shares of IWMY, paying me $2,000 a week. Now, it's going to take a bit to get there, don't get me wrong, but at the end of the day, we do it smartly. I have that for you if you sign up as a member. But again, that's not why we're talking this video. This video is all about the cash flow that I'm going to make in August and how I generate it. We generate it with covered call writing and cash secure put selling. Stick around. At the end of this video, I'm going to show you how we do that. Now, let's talk about this projected month. In the first month, I have this single stock risk of Misty. I own 1,000 shares of Misty, and I got involved back in February. You should know my story with Misty. I don't like it, but I got it, and I make about $1,200 a month. And we're going to add that to the dividend income because I do not drip invest those shares. I got to pay the bills. If you're telling me you're dripping and you're in retirement, well, then you're not paying the bills with your dividend income. See, this is what I try to teach people. We use our dividend income to pay the bills, but we write covered calls and sell cash secure puts so we can buy back all of that NAV erosion and just keep going. Increasing the shares, increasing the dividends, writing covered calls, filling the coffer. See, where are you going to get that money? You're working the 9 to 5. I'm sorry. You're paying for vacations, food, clothes, Visa bill, Verizon bill. What are you going to do? You got a little crumb at the end of the day. You're going to buy a couple shares here or there of your favorite dividend paying fund. You'll never get where you want to be. Learn how to write covered calls, sell puts. That is instantly profit. You take that profit, you buy a dividend paying fund. I will buy hundreds of shares every single week. Every single week I'll buy these shares. And I'll give you an example. Here is August 1st. There was literally only one day in August. Now, granted, I put these trades on in late July, but when they closed, it was in the first week of August. Take a look at this. $9,393. Writing covered calls, selling cash secure puts. We take the majority of that and buy these dividend paying funds that I'm showing you. This is what we do. We fill these up. And of course, that's where I'm at. Let's go to the second week of August. We're in about the middle here. Actually, it's Thursday going on Friday. Look at this. Another $9,500 week. We're actually going to close out where we'll be over $10,000. Are you generating that? If you're not, you really need to learn the covered call and cash secure put strategy. Look, I am not the guru. I mean, come on, man. Covered call writing has been out there for years, and you can learn it. Now, you can learn it from me, and you can watch all the trades that I do. All these trades you see right here, all my members got. They got the write-up, they got the phone app, they got the blog post, they got the email. They know exactly when I'm in this trade, why I'm in this trade, and then, of course, when I close the trade. They see all my kids' trades because I trade my kids' accounts. Do you understand my kids make thousands a month because I trade their account? Hey, they're busting their ass at the 9 to 5. I taught them how to do all this, but they don't have time. So I trade for them. And I know a lot of you out there on YouTube are 45 to 65. You have the time. You can help your kids, your grandkids. I'll tell you what, writing covered calls, selling cash secure puts is the golden goose to cash flow. So looking at August, if we just average $3,600 a week, we're going to come in at $19,389. Now, I know that's impressive, and I know you're looking at the number, but do not focus on the number. What you need to be focusing on in this video is how I got there. How I got there was writing covered calls and selling cash secure puts. Say it with me. That is your key to financial freedom. Let's go ahead and take a look at one of these trades. I got a comment in a video where they said, hey, I want to know exactly how you do this. Well, the easiest way is you become a member. In the description, 1 free month offer. Look, I don't need you, man. You either want to be a part of what I'm doing or you don't. I wish you best of luck. I always tip my hat to those that have learned from me and they've taken action. Are you taking action, or are you just watching YouTubers that create content for the YouTube money? See, I hope you're taking action. See, this video is all about motivation, talking about how I do it, where I've come from, and quite frankly, how all my members are benefiting from this. Hundreds and hundreds of members. They're all taking on trades, benefiting. What you see here is this, okay? Right down here in the middle is my profit projection for what? August. There's only 2 weeks left. Look at that. We've already knocked down 18 grand. So what do you think that's going to produce? We're going to buy dividend paying stocks, giving ourselves a pay raise in retirement. Now let's randomly pick one of these, talk about it. So maybe you learn some. How about this one right here? We're going to talk about this one right here. This is one of my kids' accounts right there. You see it right there? It's on CONL. That is the 2x leverage ETF to Coinbase. Now, I don't like to use single stock because of the risk, but here's the deal. Coinbase we've used. We're going to go ahead and use Coinbase. I want you to look at the numbers here. This is August 6th. This trade will go until August 15th. Now, that's next Friday. This trade is literally 9 days. So in 9 days, we're going to make about $665 on a small amount invested. The cash on cash percentage gain, I think, is about 3.3%. And when we dial this up, this is what the members see. They will see that he will make 3.39% in 9 days. Now you say to yourself, how are you doing that, man? I mean, the stock market itself makes about 8% to 10% annually. How you make it 3+% in 9 days? Well, we sell premium against leveraged ETFs. This is Coinbase, and it's 2x leverage to Coinbase. So if you like Coinbase and you're going to trade Coinbase, why not use this 2x leverage ETF? We can actually get 2 times the premium. That's what I teach my members. Volatility does not equal risk. And in this case, we're using Coinbase. Now, I lay it out to the members exactly how this trade's going to go. We're going to go ahead and do this cash secure put. And if I remember it correctly, the stock was trading for $31.21. If the stock were to fall to 28, okay, if the stock were to fall to 28, we would be assigned the shares at 28. For that right? For that right, for somebody to assign me their shares at 28, if Coinbase 2x leverage ETF were to fall to 28, they are going to assign me their shares at 28. I get 95 cents for that for the 9 days per share. Per share. I am giving this put buyer 9 days to assign me their shares at 28. Now, we don't just do this willy-nilly at the membership. I teach them exactly how to play this and why I picked that 28 strike. And check this out, I did a video for the members talking about that 28 strike. At the membership, we have classroom sessions. We talk about charting because at the end of the day, it's all about entry points. Whether you're buying and holding a stock, you want to have a great entry point, but when you sell premium, you really want a good entry point. In this case, it was trading for 31. We picked the 28 strike. If Coinbase were to fall, we want to get involved at 28 versus 31. How many of you out there would be buying at 31? Yeah, we all make that mistake. Not at the membership. We would get involved at 28. I'm going to bring up the chart here and show you exactly why we picked the 28 strike. You ready for this? I want you to dial in. In this video, we've talked about my dividend income, how I generate all that money to live in retirement. I retired at 55. How we bought all those shares, we wrote covered calls and sold cash secure puts on stocks and cash that I own the account. You got to learn how to write covered calls and sell puts. We take those premiums and we buy dividend-paying funds, all the ones you see on YouTube. We then live the good life paying the bills with the dividends. But what we do to generate more and more cash flow is we write covered calls and sell puts. How many times have I said this in this video? It's very important. That's how I built my empire. Taking a look at why we picked that 28 strike, it is incredible. We talk about how we would never buy outside of the Keltner channel top. If you were a member, you would know exactly why we don't do that. Well, when it peels back and then it really falls off, we talked about why it really fell off. And with it trading in and around 31, I picked the 28 strike. The 28 strike is where resistance was broken. That's where Wall Street is going to bring it back if they do. But because this thing has fallen off so much, look where the stock's going now. Do you see that? It's at 33. When we put on this trade at 31, I gave myself downside protection of 28. We made all that money, 3.39% for 9 days. And look where the stock is going. Look, I'm not a genius. And I'll tell you what, I am no stock market guru, but I have learned over 10 years being kicked in the nads when I would buy here and here and here and here, and this thing would fall. We've learned over the years how to find spots, good spots, to get involved. Now, hey, look, they don't always work out. I mean, hey, nobody has a crystal ball, and neither do you. But we find ourselves in favorable positions more than most. And if we were assigned the shares at 28, wouldn't that be a great place to start a cover call campaign on a 2x leverage ETF where we can make 6% on a 2-week covered call at our cost basis, 28. That's what I teach the members. They see all of my trades and they get the phone app. Did you know the phone app has all of my trades in and out? Notice right here, the top 3 are open trades. You could have taken those trades just like me. Notice all the green check marks. That's the profit we made. Tell me when you see a red X. Yeah, that's right. Oh, by the way, that's still July. I'll tell you what, we have had an incredible year, over 300 trades. And I show all of them to the members. You have one chance. It's in the description. 1 free month offer. I want you to get it. The reason I want you to sign up is this. Follow my trades, make some money, buy some dividend paying funds, be able to have cash producing assets. Okay? The 9 to 5 just won't get you there. It's 1 crumb, 2 crumb, 3 crumb. How about this? 1 crumb, 2 crumb loaf of bread. That's cover call writing. 10 years in this, and we are still knocking it down. Hey, look, I'm going to leave it right there. 1 free month offer. Get it. I would love to welcome you aboard. Since my last video, 10 members have signed up. They want to be a part of something successful. Hey, I've been here. I have absolutely been here. I've showed you my winning trades, losing trades. It doesn't matter because I'm going to grind. I'm going to do this. This is my retirement. I'm a professional stock trader, and if this doesn't work, I'm back to the 9 to 5. Hey, look, that ain't happening. Be safe, be healthy, most important, be lucky. Until next time, may all your covered calls be profitable.